Good evening! I'm back. Kararating ko pa lang. Ayan. Wala pang mga amo. So, magre-rest muna tayo. Ayan. Ito wash. Ayan. Makakauwi na naman tong luggage ko na to. And here. I need to open the windows. Kaya. Hi! Sino lang dyan? Just arrived. Wala pang mga amo. Ako pa lang. Nauna pa ako dumating. Baka mamaya pa yung mga yun. Usually, pag galing sila ng China, dumarating sila ng super late. 11. Yung ano yun? Sinigang na salmon ko nandito eh. So, yeah! It's good! Save siya! Ano tawag dito? Nakasealed kasi ito eh. Tapos may plastic pa siya. Thank you, mahal, for the sinigang na salmon. I'll take off this. Yeah. And I have a gift from my love. This one, a perfume. My favorite one. Is a YSL. Did I break the lock? Ala! Na-break, na-crack yung kanya. Yung takip. But anyway, it's fine. Saint Laurent, my favorite brand. YSL. Yeah. It's okay. What else? Glasses are here. My papers are here. This is no, someone no. And this one is for Papang. Para kay Papa daw. It's okay. We need to tidy up. Hindi ko matanggal yung jacket ko kasi it's too kita my body too much. Pakainin ko mamaya yung mga fish ko. And this one is also for Thea. This one is for Thea. So pretty. Is her, ano to? Pwede siya dyan. Pwede rin yung straw. Diba? New siya, pero okay lang kasi it's still new from Disney. Ayan. Ibabad muna natin tong mga dito na to. And this one, this is my clothes last night. Bango. Mabango kasi hindi naman pinagpawisan, tsaka yung perfume talaga. Tapos ito, I need to reuse this tonight. Ito lang. What happened here, mahal? My essential, I think you burned it. Ayan o, may white na siyang ganyan. Parang kakaplansya niya. Ang arty-arty kasi. Is it? Yeah. Is this clean? Or ano ba? What? Why there's a dripping oil here. Ah! Ayan o. Is it an oil? Is it? Maardi ako sa damit ko. Ayan o. May drip siya dyan. I don't like it. I'm angry. No, no, no. No good, no good. This one. Here's my floss. My dental floss. Okay, bye. Shower time. Pawisan ako. Bye. Sino ba nandyan?